Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is my second dress of my winter fashion mood board, which is winter with a retro vibe. You can already see parts of my dress, and let me tell you, this face is excitement. So this dress is from Burda Styles, and it is from the magazine August 2017 magazine pattern 111A. The fabric that I used is a tricot, which is a jersey knit. It is quite on the thin side, a little see-through. So I decided to line it, and I lined it with a tricot or with a jersey lining. That is a little bit, it was a little thin, but still give enough coverage. The amount of fabric that you need for sizes 36 up to 44 is a max of 2 meters. And so if you do buy 2 meters, you have more than enough. The pattern consists of 9 pattern pieces, and the instruction, it has like 7 bullets in terms of instruction, which Burda is known for being very concise. But one thing, the patterns are beautiful, and so I've always been a fan of Burda. I'll continue to be one. The only thing that I had a problem with was bullet point 3, which is this collar, because I had to make, I think pattern piece 8 and 9 was interfacing, so I figured that I needed to do the interfacing. So I have the interfacing, and underneath that I have the lining. So it just didn't really work out like I wanted to. So what I will do is I will tack it down so it will just stay down. So I'll show you how the pattern pieces are laid on the fabric. So this is a skirt, this bodice, sleeve, the collar, the side of the bodice, and the back of the bodice. That's how it's looking. And I really enjoy making this one. The only issue that I have is the collar, and probably how they explain how to do the fent. So yeah, you guys, I have my dress on, and I totally love this dress. So the dress has a lot of darts, and they have a tuck going down towards the bust. You got 2 on the side, you got 2 in the skirt, in the front of the skirt, 2 in the back of the skirt. You got a seam going down, at least 1, 2, 3, 4 seams going down the back. You got the seam in the middle of the skirt. I mean, there's so much. And this is the extravagant neckline collar, and it is beautiful. Like I said, the only thing that I don't like about it is the interfacing that didn't really go as planned. However, I'm going to make it work. I'm going to step on the stool. As you can see, this dress does go a little below my knee. It is lined. So this is the lining. I still have to take off the tracing thread, but the lining is good enough not for it to be see-through. So I'm really happy with that. And I only lined the bodice and the skirt, and that's about it. So this is a view from the back, and I did take pictures, so they're going to be on my Instagram. Yes, I created an Instagram, and I'll have a link in the description box to my Instagram. So as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.